everybody, welcome back to another trek. I'm at Bude Marshes in Cornwall, where I'm hoping to photograph some of the warblers here. Sedge warbler, reed warbler. There's a reed warbler calling behind me. I doubt this is picking it up, but it's a little bit breezy. But it's right low down in the reeds. I've seen it right down in the bottom of the reeds. They don't tend to pop up very often. So it's kind of a waiting game really. But yeah, we've got a beautiful morning, stunning morning. Really good light, there's some cloud cover too. So hopefully it won't be too harsh. We had a kingfisher fly over the top of the reeds. So we're gonna stake out this area for a little while, see if they pop up. So the reed warblers proving very elusive, very tantalising view. Deep in the reeds, it was about halfway up. We've had to walk along the canal and we've got a very showy sedge warbler just in these reeds here. They tend to be a lot bolder than the reed warblers, a lot more showy. So that's I've seen the sedge warbler briefly this year, but got my first shots this year. Lovely, he's beautiful. He's just happily singing away just in the top of these reeds. So we'll keep going, see if we can get the reed warbler. Reed warbler singing behind these brambles and reeds, but yet to show, unlike the sedge warbler. The calls are, or the song is very similar. The reed warbler is a little bit more laboured, not as fluid as the sedge warbler, but he's keeping well hidden. So we'll see if he pops up. So there we are. Didn't quite manage the reed warbler. Tantalising view earlier on, but plenty around, but just very elusive. But the sedge warbler was excellent. So it's been good. Yeah, fantastic. So we're going to wrap that one up there. Thanks ever so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks again.